Market mayhem, the Dow taking a major dive here now with the White House's reaction to all of this is Blake Burman. Blake, what did they have to say about this?
Melissa, as this all was unfolding, I walked into the White House press operation right behind me, and I didn't even have to ask a question. Spokesperson just looked at me and said, "We are not commenting on this right now." So that is their official position at this very moment. The president, though, as you know, he's on his way back now from Ohio for a tax cut event. As he was flying there aboard Air Force One, the number 2 in the press shop, Raj Shah, was asked about everything that was going on. The market was down about 500-600 at that point. And here was his statement at that point, I stress. He said, quote, "Look, markets do fluctuate in the short term. We all know that. And they do that for a number of reasons. But the fundamentals of this economy are very strong, and they're headed in the right direction for the middle class in particular." The president then hit the ground there in Ohio, started speaking. Related or not, the markets then dropped even further. He did not mention the stock market drop at all. The president did not. He did, though, tout the economy as a whole.
Your taxes are going way down. And right now, for the first time in a long time, and you've seen it, factories are coming back. Everything's coming back. They all want to be where the action is. America is once again open for business.
I think all could agree, Melissa, the timing for this White House as it relates to the stock market drop was horrible, because you had the president out on the road, as they are going to continue doing with him and other top officials, trying to put him out there to try to sell this tax cut package. And I can't remember the last time that the president was out there giving a big speech and people cut away from it, because you had this market dropping and dropping and dropping. And as the president was touting his tax cuts, the cameras turned off. Melissa?
Yeah, that's a good point, Blake. All right.